Beaver Bite Food Reviews, and today, my friends, we have Dairy Queen peanut butter cookie dough party. This is a blizzard. We're gonna go in for a beaver bite. I can see that here, bit of dripping here. Big chunks of cookie. Look at that. It's like there's some candy in it, little sprinkles. Check out that. There's pink ones, yellow ones, blue, purple. You really taste the peanut butter in the ice cream itself. The cookie dough is very, very moist. A little crunch to it. Let's go in there again for beaver bite. I'm liking it. I love peanut butter. There we go again. Peanut butter cookie dough blizzard. I'm liking it a lot. 8.9 out of 10. Have a great day. I'm the Beaver. Bye for now.